Welcome to Part 2 of the Charter Guest app tutorial, where you'll learn how to use the calendar and how to create charter programs, cruising maps, and itineraries that display on the guest's iPad in their cabins. From the calendar page, clicking any date will display these three options. To post a reminder note, click this button to open this window. Enter the date and time of the event, then enter the title and any notes that assist with reminding you about the event. You can schedule a single event or a recurring event by selecting from this drop-down list. If you want to be notified by email, tick this checkbox and select the notification period. Then finally, select who the email will be sent to. Once finished, click Submit and the reminder note will display on the calendar. To add a cruising schedule to the calendar, click here. From this window, select the schedule type from the drop-down list and who the schedule will be visible to. Enter the event name and any notes. Then select the from and to dates and enter the locations. Once finished, click Save and the cruising schedule will display on the calendar. To create a charter program, click here. From this window, enter the name of the charter and any notes, then select the from and to dates and enter the locations. Click Add Image here. In this window, either select from the Saved Images carousel or search and select a new image. Once selected, the image will be added to the record. If you prefer, you can drag and drop your own image here. Once complete, click Save. All charter programs created for your yacht will display on the Charter Programs page. The top of each tile displays the to and from dates, the to and from locations, and the name of the charter. The icons in the bottom of each tile are Delete, Edit, Cruising Map, and the checkbox is used to select which charter program should display on the guests' iPads in the cabins. To create the cruising map and itinerary, click this icon. If you are unsure how to create a cruising map, then click the icon to watch the video. Once finished, click Save. To display this cruising map and itinerary on the guest iPads, click the checkbox and then select Yes to confirm. The cruising map page on the iPad app will now display the details from the selected charter program. The Location Content module is populated with hundreds of yachting-specific locations and images from our master library. You are able to add your own content for each location and upload your own images. You can even expand each location to include the specific points of interest, restaurants, bars and clubs, shopping and services available in each location that your owner and guests enjoy. Our content and your content are available to select from when you're creating the cruising schedule and daily itinerary. If you have any questions, please contact support@charterguest.com.